Hello everyone, welcome to Stampin' Grotto. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really cute one color plus white greeting card. So this is just for a just because situation and it comes together pretty easily. You can do this in any color and really any sentiment would work for this. So stay tuned. Okay, so to get started, I started with a card base made of basic white. So this is cut to 8.5 by 5.5 and scored along this long edge at 4 1/4. And that gave me my card base. And then this, so to make this piece here, I actually used this silicone mat along with this die, and for my embossing sandwich I used plate 1 and 2 of the 3s with this in between, and I also used 1 piece of thick cardstock to give it a little bit more, and this is how it came out. So love that look. And then for all of these pieces, I just took this stamp here and I stamped in Starry Sky and stamped off once before stamping 2 of those, and then I used the matching dies to cut them out. And for these 2 pieces, I used this die here, or this stamp here, and I just stamped 2 of those in Starry Sky and cut them out using the matching die. And then I did 3 of these 2-leaf stamps and cut them out using the matching dies as well. I stamped off on these as well, just like I did on these. And then for my sentiment, I just stamped the Just Because, this is also from the True Beauty stamp set, in the Starry Sky on a scrap piece of basic white. And then I used this Banners Pick-a-Punch, using this one on both ends just to kind of add a little bit more detail to it. And let's go ahead and put all of this together. So I'm going to start by adding glue to the back of my embossed piece, and we're just going to center this on here. It's only going to have a faint white border around it. Now once you have that pressed down, I am going to put a bit of glue on the back of this. And I'm just going to lay that down just like this. I'm going to do the same thing with this one. And then we're going to put our 2 flowers down. And our leaves. And then our sentiment. And the sentiment will pop up on the 2 sides on some dimensionals, just so that we can be sure that it stays above all of our other pieces and adds a little bit of extra dimension. So let's just pop all these pieces on. I'm only putting glue in the center of my flowers so that I can be sure that I can still tuck in my leaves. So I'm going to put just a little bit of glue on the edges of these, and then I'm going to lift these up, put them down. Doing the same thing with this piece. Lift them up, put it down, and a little bit more. We're going to do the same thing here. We're just going to lift and put it down. And then for our sentiment, we'll just grab our dimensionals, and we're just going to put one on either end. Oops. And we'll just peel off the backs, and we're just going to lay this down just like that. And then to just finish off the card, we're going to take some of these 22 to 24 in color matte decorative dots, and we're going to take those in the Starry Sky as well. And I'm just going to put a few of these on my card, just like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial, and as always, if you are interested in seeing more, please like and subscribe. Thanks everyone!